later on, private key encryption is still one of the most widely used encryption methods, and public key encryption is typically used for the authentication part. But one application for the RSA method and public key encryption is encrypting disks. In this case, when we use the Microsoft EFS, encrypted file system format, when we want to encrypt files or folders, the system itself creates what's called a digital certificate. The digital certificate has both a public and a private key stored in it. It is important that this certificate is kept on the system, because once it is lost, then it is not possible to decrypt the encrypted content. So the certificate itself shows that we have the private key on the certificate. So one of the keys is then used to encrypt the content on files or folders. Once it is encrypted, the only key that can decrypt it is the other key, in this case the private key, and is able to get it back again. So it's this certificate here that stores these keys. We can see here that we're using 1024 bits RSA. To encrypt, we select a folder, we select the advanced options on the properties, and then we encrypt, after which we should see the folder turn green and all the subfolders should be encrypted too. This then creates a certificate, and the certificate is stored on the machine. Often this certificate can be backed up onto a USB drive or onto a network drive, so that if there is a crash on the machine and the certificates are lost, then it's possible to get the certificate back again and to decrypt the contents. With the increasing usage of mobile machines, it is important that important files are kept secure. As we've seen, the private key encryption method is fairly processor intensive